Now, for those of you who like peanut butter, my darlings, please take your chair, sit down and glue to that chair. How to make peanut butter from the scratch. My darlings, peanut butter from the scratch to finish. You know, you people know say I like una very well, so I dey like to dey break things when you go benefit una. I don't need to tell you guys, please be mindful of what you consume. You see all those food when they sell for markets, when they dey for can, seal. Many of them contains preservatives, additives, chemicals that are not good to the body. So if you know say you like peanut butter, please watch this video to the very end. Follow the procedure. All you need to do now just groundnut, yo. You don't need any other thing, groundnut and your salt, and you need olive oil. That is if you need it. You get what you go need them. It's not a must. You must add olive oil. Okay, now you carry your your groundnut, fry them. You know, for this video you go see where the woman toast them. She put them for air fryer. Not everybody fit afford air fryer, my darling. If you no get air fryer machine, you no get oven, carry your hand, put them for sand, you know, roast them very well. When you don't roast and finish, carry them, peel the skin, come blend them. My darling, that is all. That is all. Peanut butter is very, very, very easy. Now you go get where you go see the parts where be say the woman had a little bit of olive oil. It's worse because it was getting thicker. You know, you get where you go reach where be say you no go fit blend again. Just like if you dey blend your tomatoes and pepper, if you no add water, you no go fit blend. No matter how strong the blender is, you no go blend. Sure, you understand? So you need to add olive oil to reduce that thickness so that it go fit blend and it go dey smooth. And your peanut butter is ready. And you know, kids, they love peanut butter a lot, most especially when you want to put them for bread, you know, bread spread, biscuits, you understand? All those kind of, you know, jekuje. Kids, they always a lover. You understand? Kids are always a lover. And if you decide to do this at home, if you get nothing less than 5K, go do them. Yes, that is if you want to do it on a hand, if you want to make it plenty. 5K is okay. At least go know waiting the chop. When you do and be everything finished, pack and put for inside container. You know, put them for inside fridge. You know, freezer, fridge. You understand? And you know, they chop them anytime you like, anytime you want. They chop them. So not be say you go just carry money, go market, go they buy waiting, go you wait, you go use one, go buy waiting, go buy you. And then with the people go they talk, say they sick, get sick. Why would I not go sick? Why you no go sick? When it be say you go buy canned food when it be say they go write them expiring date, it go expire for under 2 years, 3 years. My darling, just do that peanut butter. Not put them for fridge, or put them for rubber. Leave them like that. Not put them for inside fridge. Leave them for rubber. Leave them for 2 weeks. Before 2 weeks, you go see what you go to bring out muko. It go spoil. So now imagine those things, those one way they for can. Why they last like that? It's because they don't add chemical. What it was chemical? I was a science student. So please, if you know say you like peanut butter, just do this. Do them for your house. It is very, very easy. No hard. You know how, like I talked before, I say 2 ingredients, you are good to go. And if you are lucky, you can even see oil extracts, groundnut oil extract for them. So that means you are doing 2 things. You are using 1 stone to buy 2 birds, isn't it? So now, please, we don't wish you would agree to understand and like this video. Please, the highest you can do is to follow me in all my social media platforms, like my videos, drop comments, and go straight to your YouTube. You got it. And press the button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop comments in any video you like. That is all. That is all. Okay, now make money, chop